Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on counting principles, and in this one I want to talk about cards. So in the game of poker, a pair is a 5-card hand consisting of one pair of cards. So in how many ways can a pair be dealt? Okay, so let's start with the fact that there are 4 suits. There's hearts, diamonds, clubs, and spades. And in each suit, there is an ace, a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, nope, jack, queen, king. So there are 13 cards and 4 suits in each in a 52 card deck. So if I want a pair, it has to be of a specific card. So let's say I was getting a pair of 4s. So I have 5 cards in my hand, and let's say I was getting a pair of 4s. It could be a heart and a diamond, a heart and a spade, a club and a diamond. I have to realize that there's several ways that those 2 4s could come about. So what I need to do is I need to do the combination of the 4 4s taken a 2 at a time. Okay, so let's turn these 4s into 8s so that you don't think that the 4 comes because they're 4s. The 4 comes because there's 4 suits. So let's say I want a pair of 8s. I need to take the combination of the 4 8s taken 2 at a time. So that's that. And then I have 3 other cards. Well, if I'm taking a pair of 8s out of this, it means my other cards come from any of the other 12 cards. So that means I have a combination of 12 other cards taken 3 at a time. And that would give me a generic pair. But the thing is, it doesn't have to be a pair of 8s. It could be a pair of 9s or a pair of 5s or a pair of aces. So I need to multiply this by 13 because there's 13 options for my pair. And though these 3 cards that aren't your pair, the 9, the jack, and the king, are available, they don't all have to be clubs or hearts. They can be any of the 4 suits. So these 3 cards, each of them can be any of the 4 suits. So these 4s represent the 4 possible suit options. And this represents the 13 possible pairs. And if you multiply this all out, you find out that there is 1,098,240 ways you can get a pair dealt in a 5-card hand of poker. Now, as long as I have all this out, I thought I would quickly show how many ways can you get blackjack. Different game. Blackjack is when you have a card that represents 10 plus an ace, because in blackjack, an ace can represent 1 or 11. And so if it's 11, 10 plus 11 equals 21, and 21 is blackjack. Well, a 10 is either a 10, a jack, a queen, or a king. 10, jack, queen, king. That's 4 of them. But again, there's 4 suits. And there are 4 aces, which means there are 64 ways in which you can get blackjack. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks!